This is going to be a video tutorial on how to position images anywhere in Google Docs. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Google Docs. To place an image anywhere you want on a document, say that I wanted to place like a profile image or something up here on my document, the way to do that, the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to use the drag and drop method. I have some images in a folder. I'm just going to drag one of these images across and I can drop it anywhere I want on my document. I'm just going to drop him right in here. There is my image, but I want to place my image up here. The way to do that, you want to left click on your image to select the image. I have the image selected now. I have the bounding box around it. Then you want to go up to the top up here, up to where it says Image Options. Click on Image Options. And then on the pane that opens up on the right-hand side here, I want to expand the text wrapping area. And then I can choose either behind text or in front of text. I could choose one of these two here. I'm going to use in front of text. Now my image is in front of my text here. Now I can reduce the size of my image if I want to. And I can position my image anywhere I want. I can place it up there. Say that I want to place it right in here. And that is how you place an image anywhere you want on your document in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.